A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue PYQs on application of derivative. So let us start lecture number 15 on PYQs of application of derivative. If the Rolle's theorem holds for function fx is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 4, x belongs to 1, 2, with f dash 4 by 3, 0, then order pair AB is equal to. Since fx is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 4. Since fx satisfies condition of Rolle's theorem, therefore f of a is equal to f of b. So f of 1 is equal to f of 2. So 1 minus a plus b minus 4 is equal to 8 minus 4a plus 2b minus 4. Minus 4 we can cancel from both the sides. Bring 4a and 2b on this side. So 3a minus b is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. Since f dash x is what? Differentiate 3x square minus 2x plus b. F dash 4 by 3 is what? 3 into 4 by 3 square minus 2a into 4 by 3 plus b. F dash 4 by 3 is 0, or 16 by 3 minus 8a by 3 plus b. Multiply through it by 3. So 0 is equal to 16 minus 8a plus 3b. Bring this on this side. Therefore, 8a plus 3b is what? 16. Solving 1 and 2. One is what? 3 minus b is 7. And 8a plus 3b multiply 3 in first. 9a minus 3b is equal to 21. 8a plus 3b is what? 16. So 17a, 37. F dash x is what? 3x square minus 2ax plus b. F dash 4 by 3, 3 into 4 by 3 square minus 2a into 4 by 3 plus b. So 16 by 9, 3 will get cancelled, minus 8a by 3 plus b. multiply over 16 minus 8a plus 3b. 8a minus 3b is what? Sorry, 8a minus 3b is what? 1 minute. 8a minus 3b is what? 8a minus 3b is what? 16. 8a minus 3b multiply 3. So 9a minus 3b is 21. 8a subtract the minus plus minus will give you what? A is equal to 5. Since 3a minus b is 7. So b is what? 3a. 3 into 5. 15 minus 7. 8. Therefore AB 5, 8. Answer B. For which of the following curves the line x plus root 3y is equal to root 3 tangent at point this? We can use trial error and we'll get x square plus 9y square. Consider x square plus 9y square is equal to 9. Differentiating with respect to x, 2x plus 18y divided by dx is equal to 0. 18y divided by dx is what? Minus 2x. So dy by dx is minus x upon 9y. So slope of tangent at 3 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 is what? Dy by dx at 3 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 will give you minus 3 root 3 upon 2 divided by 9 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, 3 and 9, so minus 1 by root 3. This is slope of tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 m bracket x minus x1. So y minus half is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 x minus 3 root 3 by multiply root 3 here. So root 3y minus root 3 by 2 minus x plus 3 root 3 by 2. So x plus root 3y 3 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 8. x plus root 3y, 4 root 3 by 2 is 2 root 3. So answer is what? C. If x is this, f dash x is what? Or let me write f dash x will be minus 55 if x is less than minus 5. It is what? 6x squared minus 6x minus 120. And 6x cubed minus 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. This is if minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 4. If x greater than 4. Therefore, f dash x is what? Minus 55 if x less than minus 5. 6 common will give x square minus x square minus x minus 20. So factors will be x minus 5, x plus 4. So 6 into x minus y, 5 into x plus 4 if minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 4. And for this, take 6 common. So we'll give you what? 6 common will give x square minus x minus 6. 3 to the 6. X plus 3. X minus 3 into x plus 2. If x is greater than 4. F dash x greater than 0. Therefore, for increasing f dash x is what? Greater than 0. So in first case, Vivekar method says x5 and minus 4. This is minus 4 and 5. So it is this part positive, negative, and in this part it is what? Positive. But the interval is what? Minus 5. So minus 5 to minus 4 only we will take. And here 5 to, it is up to 4. That means it is less than 4. That is minus 5 to 4 will take minus 5 to minus 4. We will take, and second is what? Second, Vivekar method says 3 and minus 2. Minus 2, 3. Positive, negative, positive. So it is what? In this part as well as in this part. But here interval is what? More than 4. X is more than 4. So we'll take this. So when we club, then fx is what? Is increasing when x belongs to minus 5 to minus 4, union 4 to infinity. Answer C. We have to take care of this also, whatever is given. The curve ax square plus bx plus c passes through point 1, 2. Since curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c passes through 1, 2. Therefore, 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. That is, a plus b plus c is what? 2. Equation number 1. And tangent lie, and the tangent to this curve at origin is what? Y is equal to x. Since tangent at origin to this curve is y is equal to x, so slope of tangent at O00 is, slope of this line is what? 1. Since y is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus b. Therefore, slope of tangent at O00 dy by dx at, but slope of tangent is 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 0 plus b. So b is what? 1. So we got the value of b. Therefore, equation 1 becomes a plus c will also be 1 because b is 1. So a plus c is 1. So from option minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Half plus 1 is not 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. By trial error, A 1 and C 0 from option. Therefore, A1, B1, C0. Answer is what? B. The function fx is equal to 4x cubed plus minus 3x square. Since fx is what? 4x cubed minus 3x square upon 6 minus 2 sin x plus 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 cos x. Increasing and decreasing, for that we need derivative. So differentiating with respect to x. F dash x is what? 12x square minus 6x. 2x square minus 6x. X common. 6 common will get cancelled. Minus 2 cos x. And derivative will give you what? Plus 2x minus 1 into minus sin x plus 2 into cos x. U into a formula. Now minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos x will get cancelled. Take x common. In bracket you will get 2x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 into sin x. Now we can take 2x minus 1 common into x minus sin x. Since fx is increasing function, if f dash x is what? Greater than or equal to 0. X greater than 0. X minus sin x is what? Greater than 0. And for x less than 0, x minus sin x is and 2x minus 1. For increasing, 2x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So this implies x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So when x is greater than 0, that means x is greater than 1 by 2. This is also positive. So product will be positive. Therefore, f dash x, which is 2x minus 1 into x minus sin x, greater than or equal to 0 when x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. That is, fx is increasing when x belongs to 1 by 2 to infinity. increases in 1 by 2 to infinity. Answer C. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube at point P, t comma t cube, meet the curve again at Q, then ordinate of point, that is y coordinate of point which divides PQ internally in the ratio 1:2. Let tangent at P, t comma t cube to curve y is equal to x cube again meet the curve at Q T1 comma T1 cube. Parametric coordinate of this curve will be what? T comma T cube. So all the points will be like this. Since y is equal to x cube, differentiating with respect to t, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? 3x square. Slope of tangent at t is equal to dy by dx at p. X coordinate of p is what? T, so 3t square. Also, tangent passes through P and Q. The slope of PQ is also equal to slope of tangent. Slope of PQ is same as slope of tangent at P. But slope of PQ is what? T cube minus T1 cube upon T minus T1 is equal to 3t square. The factors are T minus T1 into T square minus plus T1 plus T1 square upon T minus T1. T minus T1 cancel. Therefore, T square minus plus T1 plus T1 square. 3t square. So T1 plus T1 square 2t square. Okay. So we'll solve for T1. T1 square plus T1 minus 2t square. 2 1 are 2. So 2t1 minus T1. 2t1 minus T1 T1 square, T1 common. So T1 plus 2T minus T1 common, T common, T1 plus 2T. T1 plus 2T into T1 minus T. So T1 is what? Minus 2T, or T1 is what? T. But when T1 is T, you'll get same point. So Q corresponds to, therefore T1 should be minus 2T. Q will be what? 2 minus 2T minus T1 cube, that is 8T cube. 8T cube. Now, let n divide PQ internally. Internally in 2:1. 1:2. Ratio is 1:2. We are just interested in y coordinate of n is what? Ny is equal to first number of the ratio PQ multiplied to minus 2T cube. 1 into minus 8T cube. 1 into minus 8T cube plus 2 into T cube upon 1 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 is what? Minus 6T cube upon 3. So minus 2T cube answers. We want ordinate. Ordinate is what? Minus 2T. बंद कर दिया बंद करना इधर आएगा आएगा तो यहाँ पे लॉक है The set of all real values of lambda for which the function fx is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Fx is equal to 1 minus cos square x into lambda plus sin x. Which is what? Sin square x into lambda plus sin x. Which is lambda sin square x plus sin cube x. Has exactly one maximum and exactly one minimum. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x is what? Lambda, derivative of sin square is what? Sin 2x. Plus 3 sin square x into cos x. For extreme values of fx, f dash x is what? 0. So f dash x is what? Lambda sine 2x plus 3 sine square x cos x is equal to 0. X belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here we can take sin x cos x form. Then bracket 2 lambda plus 3 1 sin x is left is equal to 0. So sin x cos x 0 and 2 lambda plus 3 sin x is 0. Sin x into cos x 0 means sin 2x 0. In this interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, at 0 degree it is what? 0. And cos will be 0 at pi by, which is not there. So this gives what? X is equal to 0, or sin x is what? Minus 2 lambda by 3. Since x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore, minus 1 less than x, sin x less than minus 1 less than sin x less than 1. So minus 1 less than minus 2 lambda by 3 less than plus 1. So minus 3 less than, so 3 by 2 greater than lambda greater than minus 3 by 2. So lambda belongs to minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2. But lambda cannot be 0. If lambda will become 0, then from equation number 1, from 1, fx will be what? Sin qx, which is monotonic sequence. Lambda must belongs to minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2 minus singleton 0. So answer is what? A. If the tangent to curve y is equal to fx is equal to x log x at point C, FC is parallel to line segment joining, since tangent to curve y is equal to fx is equal to x log x is parallel to at point C, FC is parallel to line joining points A 10 and B EE. Therefore, slope of tangent is equal to slope of AB. Since fx is what? X log x. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x will be what? 1 plus log x. So slope of tangent at C, FC is equal to f dash c, which is 1 plus log c. Therefore, since slope of tangent at is equal to slope of AB, slope of tangent is what? 1 plus log c, and slope of AB is what? E minus 0 upon E minus 1. Therefore, log c is what? E upon E minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, log c is what? Take LCM to E minus E plus 1 upon E minus 1. 1 upon E minus 1. So C is what? E raised to 1 upon E minus 1. E raised to 1 upon E minus 1, answer is what? C. The position of moving point car at time t is given by ft is equal to at square plus vt plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers greater than 1. Then the average speed of the car attains at. Let me do this. Which of the following point lies on the curve? Tangent to the curve at this point x raised to 4 e raised to y plus 2 root y plus 1 is equal to 3. Which of the point lies on the tangent to the curve this at 1, 0? So differentiating with respect to x raised to 4 e raised to y dy by dx plus 4x cube e raised to y plus y plus 1. 4x cube e raised to y plus 2 into derivative of root is what? 1 upon 2 root y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 to cancel. X raised to 4 e raised to y plus 1 upon 2 root 1 upon root, not 2 root, because 2 got cancelled. Y plus 1 dy by dx is equal to minus 4x cube e raised to y. So dy by dx is what? Minus 4x cube e raised to y upon x raised to 4 e raised to y plus 1 upon root y plus 1. Slope of tangent at 1, 0 dy by dx at 1, 0. Replace x1, y0 to minus 4, 1 cube into 1. E raised to 0 is 1. Upon 1 raised to 4 into 1. And 1 upon which is equal to minus 4 upon 1 plus 1 minus 2. Therefore, equation of tangent at 1, 0 in slope point form is y minus y1 and x minus x1. So y minus 0 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 2. By trial error, tangent point minus 2,6 lies on the tangent. Minus 4 plus 6 is what? 2. Lies on tangent. Answer is what? D. Average velocity is equal to ft2 minus ft1 upon t2 minus t1, because interval is what? From t1 to t2, which is same as by Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash t by lnbt. So ft2 is what? A T2 square minus plus B T2 plus C minus A T1 square plus B T1 plus C divided by T2 minus T1, which is F dash T to AT plus B. A common, T2 square minus T1 square plus B common, T2 minus T1 upon T2 minus T1 to AT plus B. Separated factors of this A T1 plus T2 is left plus B to AT plus B will get cancelled. B is what? T1 plus T2 upon answer is what? A. Thank you very much. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you will never get it done. अगर एक ही चीज के बारे में ये काम करना है, आप बार बार सोचते ही रहेंगे, आप ज्यादा टाइम लगाएंगे, तो काम कभी होगा नहीं. इसलिए अच्छा काम है तो स्टार्ट.